Yeah, keep track of
On a
them.
file.
Keep a file.
Yeah, that might come.
You know, I was thinking, it's, in Isaiah 11:2, the Spirit of the Lord is wisdom, understanding, counsel, and might, then knowledge. I'm out of the Amplified.
There's actually 7. It's called the 7 Spirits of God.
Yes, yes, I'm
We're going to be covering that.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, we are going to be covering that, I believe, next week.
Yeah.
When we go, let's see, Yod, Taf, Lamed, Mem. I think it's next week. We are going to cover that. Isaiah 11:1.
Yeah, so thinking about that scripture. I do want to get one of those today, so that's good.
All right. Good.
I'm gonna shut this down.
No time like the present.
Yes. You're and gone tomorrow.
I can leave it there and I'm gonna take one.
Okay, awesome, thank you.
You know, I also, when I listened last week, I love this. You were talking about.
Yeah.
Because everything is reversed.
Yes.
I mean, it's
That's what I heard first.
it's
like
Yeah, and that was a freebie too. Didn't even plan to say that.
Wow, that's awesome.
Donna, your name means lady.
I'm gonna record it. Do you mind?
Sure.
I can find
Oh,
it.
right. Let me come over and help you.
It's just
Did you? I hope I didn't.
She's
She's gonna.
Lady.
If I did take it home, I'll bring it back.
It's an Italian word.
I have to
Um,
actually send him the,
I started to say, did you?
did you do any
Oh,
family
did you already
members
order
or?
it from Samantha?
No, I just did myself.
I actually have it done. Okay. So I was surprised that you did. So.
Can I ask you to put your microphone back on?
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Well, there were only 3 of us, so. I had,
With everyone else talking, it's hard to hear you.
Okay. Check 1, 2. Yeah, that's why I was making that awful noise, because I didn't screw it on very tight. I think.
Okay, good, thank you.
Hold on a second here. Okay. All right, so.
we needed to hear
Oh, here
a
it
lot
is.
of what he said today.
Okay.
That's what he's teaching.
Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. All right, so Donna is Italian for lady, and in Hebrew, it's Gimel Beyt. Doesn't have the dot. It has no dot, so it's going to be like a B cell. A resh and a tav. So this is gavarot. Gavarot. So it's interesting that it doesn't have any other punctualities in there that I can see. But the gimel means a rich man that gives.
I have it. Me too.
Okay? Sorry for the horrible handwriting. Rich man that gives to the house.
A commitment. And tomorrow I have a.
With the expectation of great magnitude.
So I sent a text saying, can you change to either tomorrow?
I'm just going to do a short thing here. Expect great magnitude. Expectancy of things happening with great magnitude.
I feel a sneeze coming.
So the rich man gives to the house expecting great things to happen or expecting things to happen with great magnitude. And this has to do with the covenant. I'm going to put here COVT. Okay? This teaching and instruction of God. So putting it all together, a rich man that gives to the house. So this could be your house. Okay? When you do that, when you put into your house the gimel is like a camel, so it represents something as rich. Your wealth has been put into your house. The more you put into your house, the more you can expect the things of God's covenant. God's covenant there's so much available. There's 613 principles of the Torah. And you can explore all those 613 and go, oh, there's a command that I haven't been doing. Well, then if I start walking that out, I can expect more. Yeah, hallelujah. Donna, lady. And I'll spell it out here. That's Gav wrote. It might. I don't see any vav in there, so there's probably some kind of vowelization, if you will, that actually gives it a sound.
So, can I ask a couple of questions?
Mm-hmm.
So when you looked at the meaning of Donna?
Yes. So.
And then you saw it's lady.
It's Italian for lady.
Okay.
Or yeah, and then so lady is gavrot. And then.
So you're looking at then the Hebrew.
Yes.
For lady.
Right.
And then you bring it down to the letters.
Right.
The Hebrew letters.
Each Hebrew letter has a meaning.
So one has meaning.
You string it together in a sentence, and now you have the hidden potential that God has put in you. He's giving you the potential to be rich, and the wealth. He's giving you the potential to have wealth to be put in the house, and the more wealth you put into your house, the more time you invest in you. He's going to give you the expectation that you have with great magnitude. That's written in his covenant. So the covenant promises are going to open up to you the more you desire to put into it.
You know what scripture, which is one of my favorites, is Hebrews 11:1. You're expecting now faith, now. We forget about the now, right? This,
Yeah.
the substance of things,
Okay.
the evidence of things you should see.
What is faith? Faith is the word amunah, which basically means to obey the instruction. So that's pouring into your wealth. Yeah, because faith, what it means, I just need a little faith here. Well, you need instruction attached to your faith. Because what does the scripture say? Faith without is dead. Okay, so in other words, the instruction not obeyed doesn't bring any results.
Wow.
That's the truth.
You're ineffective. That's death. You're walking in a realm of death. You're not producing life.
Oh man, this is really.
It's rich. It's rich, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
And the works is mitzvot. So you're producing a merit in your life. Whenever you're doing this, you're producing merit. When you keep the Shabbat, you're producing merit. You don't lose merit. It's everlasting.
Amen.
And it's not just for you. It's for those who preceded you and those who are ahead of you.
That's good. Amen.
Boy,
That's good.
so good.
It's good for the Donna online too because it's
just
exactly
crazy
right on.
good.
That's so good. Thank you, brother.
You're
That's
welcome.
I'm going
powerful.
to take a picture of it.
Oh, please,
Yeah,
please,
yeah. I had another question. Now I can't think of what it was.
Okay.
Anyway, did anybody else have a question as far as how that works? Because I wouldn't.
Yeah, we'll do it next week. That's fine.
Or do you want to do it